SpreadsheetWeb allows you to generate contracts, proposals, quotes, or any other similar document with the click of a button. Since it's an Excel-based platform, SpreadsheetWeb can also embed any type of calculation logic into your document generation process. Let's take a look at a homeowner's insurance proposal. You can use your own Microsoft Word documents as a template. Utilize the full potential of Word by adding headers and footers, page numbering, and more into your documents. The fields inside double curly braces, which are also highlighted in yellow on this document, are called stubs. Stubs can save you a lot of time by automatically merging data from your web applications. You can call any field from your workbook by entering its name as a stub. SpreadsheetWeb automatically replaces stubs with application data throughout the document. All you need to do is to enter the same name as your target cells in Excel. You can also enable digital signatures using SpreadsheetWeb's DocuSign connector or create dynamic documents. If something is not applicable to your users, simply hide that section. If an agent did not select any additional coverage, a slightly different version of the document can be used for print. If you are having trouble creating dynamic documents, contact us at support@spreadsheetweb.com and we will help you build your application.